Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I am Miss Dalila from SMK Iptek Jakarta. Today I will explain the material of offers and suggest, yaitu tentang kalimat penawaran dan kalimat memberi saran. This is the first kompetensi dasar in second grade. Ini adalah materi pertama di kelas 11. Okay. Now, look at the conversation on the slide number 2. The conversation is between two persons, and please analyze, dan silahkan dianalisa. What is the conversation about? Conversation is about next, after you look at the conversation and after you read it and also analyze it, setelah dibaca dan dianalisa percakapan tersebut, the question is, what kind of interpersonal transaction going on in the conversation given above? Jenis percakapan apa yang sedang berlangsung dalam contoh percakapan di atas? Write down your answer. Silahkan ditulis jawaban kalian masing-masing. Next, in this slide, you will see conversation number 2. With a partner, read the conversation given and analyze what the conversation is about. Lihatlah percakapan di slide berikutnya dan silakan dianalisa kira-kira apa percakapan yang sedang dilakukan di slide tersebut. After you finish understanding the conversation, now please answer, jawablah, what kind of interpersonal transaction is going on in the conversation given above. Dalam percakapan tersebut kira-kira membicarakan tentang apa? Now, let's go to the material. Sekarang kita masuk ke materi penjelasannya. Dari kedua percakapan yang tadi kalian lihat, we can conclude, bisa disimpulkan, the material is about suggesting and offering. Materinya tentang memberi saran dan penawaran. How to give suggest, bagaimana cara memberi saran, and how to give offer, cara memberi penawaran. Now let's take a look material how to give suggest. In this slide, dalam slide ini, you'll see expressions, kalian melihat ungkapan-ungkapan. How to make suggestion, atau cara membuat penawaran, cara membuat saran. When making suggestion, we often use the following expression. Ungkapan-ungkapan berikut bisa digunakan untuk membuat kalimat saran. Let's, why don't we could, what about, how about, I suggest that, you might want to change, I think, I don't think. Next, In this slide, you study about example of suggestion. Ada contoh-contoh yang digunakan untuk memberi saran. Example number 1. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the movie. Jadi bisa menggunakan kata let's untuk memberi saran. Why don't you do your homework before going out? Di contoh tersebut kamu bisa menggunakan kata why don't you untuk memberi saran. We could eat at home today. Juga bisa digunakan kata we could. What about eating at the new place? Itu adalah contoh memberi saran dengan kata what about. How about going to some place first? Juga bisa digunakan kata, diawali dengan kata how about. I suggest that we call it a day. You need to change your sleeping habits. I think you should go and meet her. I think we should do it this way. Now, look at the next slide. Slide berikutnya. Look at the sentence structure to suggest something. Ada struktur kalimat cara memberi saran. Look at there. You can use the subject. Kalian boleh menggunakan kata subject di awal kalimat, and then verb, lalu kata kerjanya, follow by that, diikuti oleh that, and also the object, dan diikuti oleh objek. Example, I suggest that he clean his room. Okay, in this slide, this is how to respond the suggestion. Ini adalah cara bagaimana kalian bisa menanggapi sebuah saran. Example, making suggestion. Let's go to the movies. How to accept, cara menerimanya yaitu yes, let's go. Or you can decline the suggestion, atau kalian bisa menolak saran tersebut dengan menjawab no, thank you. I don't feel like going. Next, in this slide, we study how to give offer, cara memberikan penawaran. The expressions of giving offer, for example, ada contoh-contoh cara memberi penawaran yaitu may I give you a hand? Can I help you? Shall I bring you some tea? Would you like another piece of cake? How about I help you? Can I clean the car for you? Shall I help you with your homework? I will do the washing if you like. Now, how to respond the offer? Cara merespon atau menjawab sebuah penawaran. Example, can I help you? Bisa dijawab dengan menerima tawaran yaitu yes, please. I really appreciate it. Atau kamu bisa menolaknya dengan menggunakan kata declining offer, menolak sebuah tawaran. No, thank you. It's okay, I can do it myself. The sentence structure to offer something. Struktur yang digunakan untuk menawarkan sesuatu, you can use, boleh menggunakan kata would you, shall we, could I, will you. After you study the expression above and also the example, setelah kalian mempelajari ungkapan-ungkapan di atas dan juga contoh kalimatnya, I have the exercise for you. Ada soal latihan atau contoh soal untuk kalian kerjakan. Now, this is the student's worksheet, tugas siswa yang harus kalian kerjakan. After you have finished, jika kalian sudah selesai, please submit, silahkan dikumpulkan. And if you have a question, jika kalian mempunyai pertanyaan, you can contact me, boleh langsung menghubungi saya. I think that's all for today. Sampai di sini penjelasannya. I'll see you again next week. Sampai jumpa berikutnya dalam materi KD berikutnya. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.